Hey guys, it's Jen. I am styling my desk in my master bedroom today, and in doing that I will be putting up some shelving. The shelving I got is from Target, the Threshold brand. As you can see, it is a light wood, this pine finish, and on the back of it, the reason why I really loved this one in particular, is it has on the back this super easy to follow instructions. So you just take this template out, you just pop it out, and then you make your markers with your screwdriver and you just go to town. Bracket that into the wall. And I've got two shelves, and I looked it up online to see how far up I'm supposed to have my shelves start above the top of the desk, and it said pointed. Then I looked up to see about how far up it should be above that shelf if you have a second shelf, and it said 15 about, and it had several suggestions, but 15 looked good for me. So that's what I marked. I went ahead and pre-marked. I don't have these centered or anything, so I'm going to still go through with this template and mark on both sides where I want this to go. So sit tight and I'll walk you through everything. That was a lot harder than I thought, but that's okay. I got it done. And now I'm ready to make it pretty.